Hi there, I'm going to show you how you can calculate lateral spacing from wells to other wells using Unconventionals Analyst. So we've got a set of wells here on the western edge of the Permian Basin. What's the spacing for those wells, and a special interest in the nearest neighbours. We've got this new calculate lateral spacing by well tool. I simply point it at those existing wells. Put a search distance, so that will measure the spacing from each well to every other well within that 2,000 foot search radius. Minimum spacing, I'm going to set that to 500 feet to rule out any junked wells. I'm going to trim the complex downhole geometry by 10%. Minimum well length to consider in this case is 1,000 feet. Azimuth helps rule out these cross-cutters from skewing our results. And if I just choose an output location here, we'll call it well spacing and hit run. And within not too long, it's going to go to each individual well, apply that search distance, and measure the spacing to every single well that falls within that search distance. And so that's finished now. What we've got is a cool little interrogate results function, and I can pick those layers that we just calculated for, use this button here, let's zoom in a bit, and we'll pick this well here. Let's change the buffer color to be something a bit more visible, and we'll see here that this is well number 3, and what you've got is some mean spacing to the closest neighbours on either side of that well. In the lower table, we've got spacing calculations. We can sort these. So well number 2 and well number 9 are the closest either side, and the other wells within that search radius are in these calculations here. All these calculations are available in the tool, in the tables within the group layer that we've just created, or the feature class itself for their mean spacing to the closest neighbours. Thanks.